So the first thing we need to do is to ice our subject's face to minimize the pores. Second is using this aloe vera face mist from Watson's to moisturize the face of our subject. Next, I'm gonna use Nivea Soft Moisturizer for yet again moisturizing her face. After that, we're gonna use the Hydrolite BB Cream to cover up her face for the base. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Now we're going to use Naked's Flushed Palette and use the bronzer to define the edges. Who would have thought I'd get you? So the next step is using Johnson's baby powder as the translucent powder for baking. cheap budget nga, diba? This one is Maybelline lip tint / cheek tint. Ito yung ginamit ko pang blush sa kanya. Kasi ito yung perfect shade para sa akin for Morenas people. Next step is using this Miniso din eyebrow pencil / powder / gel. And yeah, I'm using its gel right now for medyo mas cute effect. So right now, I'm highlighting the nose of our subject with the Foxy from Naked to Urban Decay palette. And then I'm using this Naked Flushed palette to get the bronzer and contour the nose of our subject. Then for the eyelids, I'm using Foxy again for the base. And then over it, I'm putting bootycall for added shimmer. And then after bootycall, I'm going to put half-baked for that ultimate glow. Right now, she's putting the BB cream on her lips to give it that lighter look. Now for the lips, we're using Maybelline's Cheek and Lip Tint again. For the eyelashes, since wala talaga akong mascara right now and we're on a cheap budget, I'm using the brow gel to, add that fluttering effect. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Please comment down below for requests and see you guys in our next video.